Okay, today we're going to talk about distances and parabolas. Distances and parabolas. We'll start with the notice and wonder. And what we have here are a bunch of points and some dotted lines connecting points and this blue line at the bottom. What do we notice? What do we wonder? Well, something I hope we notice is that all of these points connect to this point in the middle, point F. Okay, so that's a good notice, is notice that there are lines drawn from all of the other points to the point F. What else do we notice? I notice that from all of these other points, they're connected to point F, right, with dotted lines, but these points are also connected to this horizontal blue line at the bottom, okay? So I noticed that as one as well. And a wonder might be, why are these line segments drawn out? Why are these dotted segments drawn out? Okay, so notice all points connect to F, and notice all points connect to the blue horizontal line. So there's a couple good notices. Some wonders. Wonder why the connections. I wonder why these are connected, right? So how come? Another wonder is, if we look at this first point, we'll call this point over here point A. If we look at the distance from A down to this horizontal line, that is some distance, we'll call it a length of x. I notice that distance appears to be the same as that distance. And if I choose another point, I'll choose this point over here, we'll call this point B. Notice this vertical distance down to that line, call that a distance of y. That distance appears to be the same as from point B to F. That also appears to be the same. So I wonder why that is. Why are the distances the same? And there is a specific reason for that. Okay, there is a specific reason for that. Let me get rid of these markings on my drawing. Now what I want to do is I want to highlight how these points are positioned. If I connect all of these points, notice what I've drawn, and you might remember this from Algebra 1, and if you're taking Algebra 2, you definitely should notice that this is a parabola. Okay, the shape of this, if this were a graph, this would be the graph for a parabola. So that brings us to the idea that in algebra, we think of parabolas as a graph of a specific function, and we can define the parabola algebraically. In geometry, what I want to focus on is that we also have a parabola, but we can define parabolas, right? We can write the definition of a parabola geometrically, and we use distances. So a parabola, the definition in geometry, is a set of points that are all the same distance or that are, let's say, that are equidistant from the focus to the directrix. Well, what the heck's a focus? Well, the focus is this point in the middle. That's my focus, that point in the middle of the parabola, or kind of on the inside of the parabola. The directrix happens to be this blue horizontal line. This is called the directrix. Okay? So, what does a parabola, what is the definition of a parabola again? Well, the parabola is the set of all points whose distance from the focus to the point is the same as the distance from that point down to the directrix. If those distances are the same, then that point must lie on the parabola. Okay?